When you open the MPAC208 Pro Kit, the first thing you notice is the transport case. It's built to protect the equipment in demanding industrial environments and during transport. Inside the case, you'll find a safety warning guide and calibration certificates. These contain QR codes that link directly to Megger's website, allowing users to download the latest user guides in their preferred language. Beneath the documentation sits the MPAC208 Professional Acoustic Imaging Camera. From the moment it's revealed, the build quality reflects Megger's focus on durability, precision, and premium engineering. The MPAC208 is also available in an IEC-EX certified version, making it suitable for use in explosive environments such as petrochemical facilities and dusty industrial locations. Dual hand straps and a neck strap are included, providing secure and comfortable handling during extended surveys and wide-area inspections. At the front of the MPAC208, an array of 208 microphones surrounds a centrally positioned optical camera. Together, they allow sound to be visualized accurately and fault locations to be identified with confidence. Lifting the upper tray reveals the additional components that complete the Pro Kit. The MPAC-V verifier allows users to verify the operational performance of the MPAC208 by emitting a controlled range of frequencies. It reduces the need for frequent recalibration and helps users understand how different fault types present acoustically. The Pro Kit also includes the TM640 thermal imaging module. Featuring a high-resolution 640 by 512 sensor, it integrates directly into the MPAC208, enabling acoustic, optical, and thermal imaging in a single inspection. A high-quality USB-C power adapter is supplied, along with 2 battery packs. One battery can be charged while the other is in use, supporting uninterrupted operation throughout the working day. For data storage and transfer, the kit includes USB-A and USB-C memory sticks and a 64GB microSD card. Data can also be transferred directly to a computer using the accompanying analysis software, enabling fast reporting and informed decisions. Headphones are included to support acoustic analysis. Although many detected frequencies are outside human hearing, the MPAC208 converts them into audible signals, allowing users to both see and hear fault signatures. A cleaning kit is also supplied, helping maintain microphone and lens performance when working in dusty or harsh environments. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered to support early acoustic and thermal fault detection, sparing no effort to bring this Pro Kit to market. The MPAC208 Pro Kit is a must-have for ensuring the reliability and performance of electrical and mechanical assets. It's an invaluable addition to any customer's test and measurement toolkit.